What's that? Say hi. Is that your pacifier? That's your pacifier. You say hi. Hi, Pico. Hi. I say, apple. Yeah, show them your pacifier. You're showing them your pacifier. Why? Yeah. You say, apple. Yeah, you say apple. Don't clap. Yay. Where's your head? Head. Where's your eyes? Where's your head? Where's your head? Geneva. Where's your head? Where's your head? Head? That's nose. It's your nose. Where's your head?